For over a decade, action cameras have been locked in a never-ending war. Megapixels versus frame rates, sensors versus stabilization, numbers versus numbers. Every year, a new model promised to change everything. But somewhere along the way, something got lost. Because these cameras weren't made to chase specs. They were made to chase life. The thrill of a wave crashing inches from your face. The vibration of your heartbeat before a base jump. The laughter echoing across mountains when you reach the summit. That's the real reason action cameras were born. Not for perfection, but for passion. And in 2025, DJI decided to bring that passion back. Not with an upgrade, but with a revolution. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera that doesn't just record your story. It becomes part of it. It's not an evolution. It's a rebirth, a giant in disguise. At first glance, it looks familiar. Compact, rugged, minimalistic. But inside, it hides something extraordinary, a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's not just an upgrade. That's a creative earthquake. We're talking about the kind of sensor you find in full-sized mirrorless cameras, now shrunk down into a device that fits in your palm, your pocket, your helmet, and that single decision changes everything. In low light, the Osmo Action 6 sees what other cameras can't. In daylight, it paints with color so rich, you can feel the warmth of the sun in every frame. Its dynamic range turns ordinary moments into cinematic memories. Imagine capturing a night ride through neon city streets. Every reflection, every shimmer of light perfectly alive. Or a sunrise across snow-capped peaks where light doesn't just shine, it breathes. This isn't just footage. This is emotion, captured, framed, and preserved forever. 8K power. Real freedom. DJI didn't stop with a bigger sensor. They went further, much further. For the first time ever, an action camera records 8K video at 30 frames per second. That's not marketing hype. That's pure creative power. K means flexibility. You can crop, reframe, or zoom without losing a single detail. You can turn one shot into 4 perfectly clear edits, all from the same clip. And for motion lovers, you get 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 1080p at a mind-blowing 240 FPS. That means you can slow down time itself. See every droplet of ocean spray, every flicker of snow in midair, every heartbeat frozen in cinematic slow motion. It's not just high resolution, it's high emotion, stability that defies gravity, but even the sharpest footage is useless if it shakes. And this is where DJI absolutely crushes it. Introducing Rocksteady 4.0 and AI Horizon Steady 2.0. Algorithms so advanced, they predict your movement before it even happens. Run, jump, ride, dive. The Osmo Action 6 locks onto your world like a gyroscope for your imagination. Filming on rough trails? Stable. Skydiving at 200 km/h? Still level. Attached to a drone slicing through crosswinds? Perfectly smooth. This isn't stabilization anymore. This is intelligence in motion. Forget your gimbal, because now you are the gimbal. Smartwatch control, the solo creator's dream for the first time. DJI brings smartwatch integration straight into your creative workflow. Control your Osmo Action 6 directly from your Apple Watch or Garmin. Start recording with a tap. Switch modes hands-free. Monitor battery, memory, or live view, right on your wrist. For solo vloggers, travel creators, and athletes, this isn't convenience. It's freedom. Freedom to focus on the moment, not the camera. Data that tells a story. But what if your video could show more than visuals? What if it could show what you felt? DJI brings a new layer of storytelling with real-time data overlays. Your speed, your altitude, your heart rate, your GPS route. It's not just footage anymore. It's a digital journal of your adventure. You're not just watching what happened. You're reliving it. Endurance that outlasts you out in the wild. Battery life isn't a spec. It's survival. DJI redesigned the power system from the ground up. Now you get 30% longer runtime, smarter thermal control, and ultra-fast charging. And yes, you now get 64 GB of built-in storage, so when your SD card fails, your moment doesn't. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 make transferring clips lightning fast, while USB-C video output lets you plug straight into a monitor, laptop, or live stream. This isn't a camera anymore. This is a mobile studio that fits in your pocket. Built for the wild, every curve, every joint, every seal of the Osmo Action 6 screams durability. Waterproof up to 18 meters. No case required. Shock-resistant, dust-proof, and built to survive heat, ice, or rain. Its hydrophobic lens coating keeps water away. Its anti-fog glass stays clear in any condition. Its scratch-resistant armor ensures your lens lasts longer than your journey. Whether you're surfing in Bali, climbing in Iceland, or racing through the Sahara, the Osmo Action 6 doesn't just endure. It belongs there. Dual touchscreens, now smarter than ever. The new front and rear displays are brighter, sharper, and completely touch-responsive. Frame your vlog perfectly. Switch settings mid-shot. Even under harsh sunlight, everything stays visible, fluid, and intuitive. Vloggers can now shoot confidently from any angle, no flipping, no guessing, no frustration. AI power meets cinematic color under the hood. A next-gen AI image processor paired with 10-bit D-Log-M color takes your visuals to a new level. Skin tones look natural. Shadows and highlights breathe like real film, and the footage grades beautifully in Premiere Pro Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve. This is true cinematic color, not just on paper, but in every pixel. DJI has changed the game for years. GoPro defined this space, but now DJI has rewritten the playbook. They didn't follow trends, they created them. They didn't build a competitor, they built a statement, because every detail in the Osmo Action 6 represents one simple truth. Technology should enhance your creativity, not complicate it. The 1-inch sensor isn't just about sharpness, it's about soul. 8K video isn't just about pixels, it's about freedom. And a Rocksteady isn't about stability, it's about confidence. Smartwatch control isn't a gimmick, it's independence. A longer battery life isn't endurance, it's trust. This is not an evolution of an action cam. It's a redefinition of storytelling, for the bold, for the dreamers, for you. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just for athletes. It's for dreamers. For creators who don't wait for the perfect moment, they chase it. For travelers who see stories in every sunrise. For filmmakers who turn chaos into beauty. This is your tool, your vision, your story in the palm of your hand. Because DJI didn't just make a camera. They built a portal, a bridge between technology and imagination. So now the question isn't what can this camera do? It's much bigger. DJI has just redefined the action camera world with the launch of the Osmo Action 6, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. This compact beast brings 8K video recording, a larger 1-inch sensor, and AI-powered stabilization that makes even the wildest shots buttery smooth. What truly sets it apart is DJI's Rocksteady 4.0 technology, delivering cinematic-grade stabilization that GoPro can't touch. The Action 6 also features longer battery life, enhanced low-light performance, and smart connectivity with your smartphone or DJI smartwatch. For vloggers, filmmakers, and adventure lovers, this camera isn't just an upgrade, it's a game-changer. DJI has officially raised the bar for 2025, leaving GoPro scrambling.